This is the blue list. Number 1 is 13. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Number 2 is thimble. I used a thimble to protect my thumb from getting poked by the needle. Number 3 is whistle. The whistle blew to tell everyone it was time to come back inside the school. Number 4 is whiskers. The cat was cleaning its whiskers. Number 5 is thermos. I filled my thermos with hot chocolate so I'd have something hot to drink at the football game. Number 6 is bench. I chose to sit and read a book on the bench during recess. Number 7 is wheels. A tricycle has 3 wheels. Number 8 is shark. The shark swam slowly through the ocean. Number 9 is cheese. I added a slice of cheese to my burger. Number 10 is booth. I went to the booth that was selling snacks and bought myself a treat. Number 11 is shave. A man might choose to shave his beard for the summer. Number 12 is chick. The chick was pecking at the ground trying to find food. Number 13 is chair. I sat safely on my chair with all 4 legs on the ground. Number 14 is chain. The dog's collar was attached to a chain in the backyard. Number 15 is whale. The whale sprayed water out of its spout. Number 16 is whip. Sometimes jockeys will use a whip to make the horse run faster. Number 17 is shot. The doctor recommended that we all get a flu shot. Number 18 is ship. The ship carrying the fresh fruits just arrived at its dock. Number 19 is shirt. I wore a red shirt on Valentine's Day. Number 15 is itch. I had an itch on my nose, so I scratched it.